So lovely, I decided to dive into this trending stew just because of you. Yes, it's quite easy to prepare at home. Yes, I'm sure by the time you finish watching this video, you'll be able to prepare this delicious stew at home. Perfect for rice, beans, spaghetti, what have you. So stick around, let's go ahead and prepare this stew. It's quite easy. Cucumber stew. Alright there, I had to peel off the back because sometimes the cucumber back gets bitter. So you wouldn't know the exact one that is bitter or not bitter. So I had to peel off the back, remove the seed inside, and went ahead to dice it in a little proportions in a way that it will not be difficult for my blender to blend in a twinkle of an eye. Though my blender is quite big and kind of commercial blender, but I just needed to ease the stress for it. Let's go there. So as usual, I went ahead to blend the cucumber, adding little water because you and I know that cucumber is 99% of water. So you don't need to add so much water into it in order to get the perfect taste for the juice. In this video, I had to make two things out of one. This is me drinking the juice I sieved from the cucumber because after blending for the first time, you got to sieve it, and the main ingredient here is the fiber. This fiber you are seeing now, that is what we use to make the stew. Okay, I went ahead to put it in a pot over a fire and dry it just the way you dry your tomatoes. I went ahead to blend my pepper mix, onions, ginger, garlic, and what have you. You can add tatashe, shombo, or whatever. So once you find out that the cucumber fiber you put on fire is already dried like this, I went ahead to add my shombo, pepper mix, and the rest of it into the cucumber fiber. Give it a good stir, and boom. I allowed it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes in order for the cucumber and tomato to blend very well, because we are quite plenty in the house, and I noticed this quantity of cucumber and pepper mix will not be enough for the weekend stew. So I added tomato paste and allowed it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes in order for them to blend properly. And then I went ahead to fry my oil. Yes, the process is the same like every other stew we make at home. Just tell yourself you are cooking your normal stew. Yes, you are cooking your normal stew. That way you get it perfectly. I also steam my meat while frying the oil and onions. I added my tomatoes and the rest of it, just like our daily stew. This is it, guys. It's quite easy to prepare. If you have in mind that you are making your stew, yes, this is quite lovely. You will like it. You will believe with me that tomatoes in Nigeria right now is too expensive. It's too expensive. You don't even dare to go there. So go ahead and add whatever you add to your stew, your regular stew, any spices of your choice. Go ahead and do so. Because I did same. This is me adding. I like cinnamon powder because it gives my stew and my food one unique taste that you hardly see anywhere. Yes, you hardly get that taste in any other food. And you know cinnamon is very good for the heart. So I don't play with cinnamon. I've added my meat, and boom, our cucumber stew is ready. If you are my friend and if you have eaten my food before, you will know that I like vegetables. So I went ahead to add my carrots, green pepper, spring onions, just to make the food colorful. Yes, and you know the eyes eat before the mouth. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and share. Comment is appreciated. Thank you.